Old-style bus passes will no longer be accepted for travel after 29th of February 2020. To continue to enjoy the benefits of free travel across Wales, you'll need a new style bus pass.
Have you got your new bus pass yet?
Please cut up your old bus pass. Use your new card from now on. Apply as soon as possible at www.tfw.wales/travel cards. You can apply on a computer, tablet or smartphone. You can either apply by yourself or ask a family member, friend or someone you trust to apply on your behalf. You can also visit your local council where help and support will be available. You'll need your national insurance number, your current bus pass number if you have one, and any evidence of eligibility. If you've already applied, get an update on your application at www.tfw.wales/travel cards or contact us on 0300 303 4240 or email travelcards@tfw.wales.
Don't delay.
Apply today.